Lat pull down, great for your back, a little bit of biceps as well. The hand positioning is going to matter. We're gonna start with a wider grip. So a wider grip is gonna be a little bit harder because you have less biceps involved here. We get more through the lats, and we get a little bit more of the upper back as my arms are driving, and that humerus is coming away or abducting away from the body. Okay, so here I grab this a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. You don't want to grab too narrow here. We grab wide. We come down, make sure this is placed so you can drive your feet down through the ground. Whenever you're doing an exercise, especially on a machine, you want to think about bracing and stability so you can get more drive out of it or more push. So grab this, a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, chest up, chin up. Now I've got a nice stretch to my lats here. I'm gonna come down and drive that chest up into the bar. We're stretching up through the top. We got that elongated position here. Come down, drive that chest through. Stretch up. You wanna think about pausing at the top. We're in that lengthened position. We go right back through it. So you're a little bit slower on the way up, pause here. A little bit faster on the way down. Drive those elbows out and away. That's your wide lat pull down. Now, if you wanna grab a grip where it's neutral, where your palms are facing each other, you can do so with a different grip, or you can grab with a chin up or a supinated grip, which means more biceps. You're gonna feel it a little bit through the lats and the serratus here. I'm gonna grab this nice stretch here. Once again, you pull down, drive those elbows into your hip pockets, stretch up, pause, drive through. I drive my feet through the ground, get that full range of motion. You don't want to cut yourself short. Drive that chest in. And that is your option of your lat pull down. Boom, let's go. Yup.